Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca here, and I am glad you clicked on this video. I hope you're well. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Let's just get into it. Okay, so Wayne Goss, I have done his videos before because he's the master. He's one of them anyway. I love his videos. He's so straightforward, down to earth, nothing glitzy, fancy, just makeup techniques from a professional makeup artist, and I love it. I've done some of his videos before, and he responded to one of them. So Wayne, if you happen to find this one, thanks again. Hi, love your lipsticks. Okay, so contouring over 40. Contouring is such a weird thing because it is so popular. Nobody used to hear about it 5 years ago, and now it's all that we do. And sometimes I'm scared of contouring. Sometimes I do a little bit of contour. I will say when I contour, when I put the work in, I kind of love the way I feel and look. Like I just feel kind of more just like, you know what I mean? He has a video of contouring over 40, and I wanted to kind of just do it here for you, for myself, because there are aspects of this technique that I have not done, that I've not been doing. Two of them are, one, anchoring your eyebrows to your nose contour, and number two, blotting excess product between each step. So let's get started. So his version is to begin with a light concealer, and I do appreciate less is more. So, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go with as many drugstore favorites that I can, and this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. And I have the shade, I think it's light peach, and I'm gonna just put it on the inner corner of my eye because that is dark. He does a little bit right here, down the nose, the corners, which actually, yes. And then he has a beard, and it's kind of cute because he blends around his beard. Brush, 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 brush. I'm actually not using one of his brushes, but that's okay. That's okay. What am I doing? Oh yeah. My skin is already prepped with, oh, see, look at that. It's kind of whatever. It's like, actually this brush is too big. Sorry. Oh, look at this. This is Marc Jacobs. I got this brush at TJ Maxx for $7, so it is cheap. Oh, I know the problem. He uses his fingers. So I'm gonna do my nose highlight again later. So spreading product out, and because the fact that we're still kind of getting the whole triangle thing, but we're just not, it's mostly just like product residue is carrying over, which is what I like to do because I don't want to put on so much product right here and then you end up just having to deal with it, you know? Because I put on plenty. Getting my forehead. Oh, I know, another place I can add is around the lip area, but not shade the lip line. Where do I want to go? Right here. Okay, because yada yada, everyone talks, we know contouring is what brings light and dark. We get it, I know, right? Oh, look at me, I'm so cute. I look like a clown. I know, I love fingers, but I also kind of like a sponge. There's something about just kind of and then we're going to take the contour shade, and I'm actually going to use Wet n Wild. I'm going to use this one, this end, it's pretty good for, you can use a darker concealer. This is the light medium. It's not too gray and it's not too orange. So we're gonna just we're gonna pull from the eyebrow down. That just freaks me out. And we're gonna take care of this 5 head because I have at least 5 fingers worth, maybe. I don't know, it's hard to say. I don't mind it though. My cheekbones naturally, you know, so like, obviously you want your cheekbones, but with weight loss, I feel like this part of my face is kind of sunken in enough, and with age, I'm losing plumpness anyway. So I want to lift my face, but I don't necessarily want to kind of bring it in, you know, like, I want it more like chiseled up. So he recommended not just putting the contour along here, but like hooking it, like kind of creating a cheekbone sort of that hooks under where the cheekbone ends. Cause you know, you got like your apples. I don't know though if I brought it in enough because my face is so long. I wanna cut it in half. And I can also like do a little down here to just sort of make sure my chin doesn't get any longer. Okay, I'm gonna blend with my fingers. And I can feel the product, and I don't want to like push it around, and I don't want to just blend it out so then I just have a big tan cheek. I want to keep the location, you know? I'm okay with this. Don't worry. Wet n Wild might be a little more orangey yellow than I originally thought. It kind of looks more neutral in the tube, and I've used it, but maybe because I'm kind of using more of it. I also think, but I'm gonna do it after I put foundation on, I'm gonna add a little more concealer right there, but I'm gonna wait to do that. The key part, taking a tissue, and I bet you could take like a puff, you know, like I have a velvet sponge. I could just do that. Oh yeah. And I'm not rubbing it, I'm just kind of lifting excess product. And you know, this is such a good reminder when you're layering to just not keep piling product. And I'm gonna take a sheer medium coverage foundation, and this is the Maybelline. I really like this Dream Radiant Liquid. The Urban foundation has denatured alcohol, and that just is too much for my sensitive skin. And this is shade 30. Oh, I always forget this one has the pump. Some of them don't. I want a stipple. In fact, I will use Wayne's brush. I like a stipple kind of foundation brush sometimes for this when I want to sheer it out. So I've got plenty of product on the back of my hand, more than plenty. And I am going to, instead of applying product directly into the brush and then you have so much product when you put it on your face, I'm just kind of blotting it into here and then doing this. And we're just pushing and blending. It's Bob Ross, you know? It's Bob Ross. Hey Wayne, if you from England don't know what Bob Ross is, but I think he's probably an international sensation by now on the internet that you can find. Look up Bob Ross painting. He's an American treasure on PBS, public broadcasting painting landscapes with just happy trees. So I like this technique. I like this foundation with this technique because I feel like I'm adding coverage and I'm definitely evening out my skin and making it look pretty good without like just packing on foundation. And I can still see that little bit of contour. I mean, it's right there. It looks more like bronzer. So we're gonna blot again. I guess I can just kind of, I don't know why I'm laying the tissue sheet over my face. I can kind of control it more. Does this tissue have lotion in it? I forgot to look. Oh. Now I am gonna add a little concealer like I said I would. Just right here and here. So tiny, tiny amount, okay? Tiny. I just want a little more brightening. For powder, what powder? Oh yeah, I'm gonna use my Becca Hydro Mist and Set because I like it. What better reason? It's just good. It's just good. What Wayne Goss brush do I have? Number 11? I mean, just use any old powder brush, please. But I'm gonna just, I feel like this does such a nice job setting. Drying. I like this, you know? I really, really like this. So you can go one step further and highlight underneath with, I am such a fan, this Real Techniques Flocked Powder Brush Sponge. If you want, whether you put it in Pat McGrath or e.l.f. or this Becca powder, and just kind of doing that. Just, yeah. Gives a nice set for me. So because, I mean, we've got such a faint, we anchored our brows, so, oh, did I bring my brow product stuff? Okay, we'll get to that. I'm gonna do just this Essence, the very lightest. We'll just kind of go over the top of that. And then we'll get this, I did pull my high-end, my Danessa Myricks highlighter palette out. And we'll do Peace, oh gosh, what do I want to do? No, we're gonna do Smooth Sailing. Peachy one. Anytime I get a little PayPal money, I put an order in at Beautylish for a Wayne brush. Want to just kind of just pop it, right? You can put highlight all the way down. You can stop halfway. You can put it more here, and that way we get even more. Some of you were like, you never use the Neapolitan bar, the blush in that. And so I am gonna just pop on a little bit of it because I'm not gonna lie, it kind of scares me. Although, okay, it's subtle. It's subtle. I just put blush over highlighter. I hope that's okay. I kind of made the highlighter a little rosy. Ooh, I do have my Stylevana shadows. I'm gonna pop on a few of them. They're just very neutral. I mean, they're neutral peach. If peach is neutral to you. I feel like I've learned so much by watching Wayne, where like I anchor the corner shadow more than I used to. the under lower lash line to the corner. And yeah, I might even do a little more powder here to just soften that so it's not too pink. So I'm gonna do my brows and I'll come back. I feel like my nose needs more contour. Bring it in, there we go. There we go. Okay. I don't look so different, but I feel like I look good, right? Like I look balanced and proportioned. I just, you know, I like it. So it's good. Maybe I look 5 years younger. Who knows? Alrighty. Well, I will list all the products below as usual. And let me know if you have any questions or comments. I love those. And please give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.